Day 6 of 30 days of the carnivore diet. I slept better last night because I had bone broth and the slow-cooked pork for dinner. The benefits of a good bone broth are almost hard to believe, but every time I go without bone broth, I'm always like, why did I stop drinking it? So here's 3 ways you can get it into your diet. The first way is my favorite. It's homemade bone broth. I started with some rib bones, a femur bone, and a couple tomahawk bones that I had in the freezer. The benefits of making it at home are really just the flavor and the nutrient profile because you can simmer it for a really long time and you can add things like rosemary, thyme, and parsley like I did in this batch. The second way is to just buy it at the store. I find these in the freezer section. And the third way is to get a concentrate or powder that you can add to your recipes or to water, depending on what you're looking for. So today I had a ribeye for breakfast and the slow-cooked pork again for dinner. And tomorrow we're going to bust out the bone marrow and liver with some steak. So I'll see you there.